guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So today we have a new Model 1s package right here. We got some goodies in this box and I'm about to show it to you. I'll just tell you everything that I received. I'm not going to be using everything in this video. So in this first bag right here, got some acrylic powders from Model 1s. And a really pretty acrylic brush. So you guys know I don't do acrylic, but they just sent it to me. So it doesn't come with a monomer, but I do have one if I am going to make a video on acrylic, but we'll see. But yeah, it just comes with a bunch of colors: orange, purple, pinks, white. Next thing are some gel polishes. So I'm just gonna do one box and I'll probably do another video on the second box. Here's what the box looks like. You get 16 colors, and one base coat, one top coat. Here are what the colors look like. Oh, cha, I need my watch. So first things first, the instructions come on the box and we're just gonna get swatching. First color is cream. Next color is exotic birds. Next is dreamy summer. Next is taro milk. Next is green apple paradise. Next is pretty in pearl. Next is denim patch. Next is Elsa's tear. Next is Angel's Wings. Next is light gray. Next is cream purple. Next is Rose Kiss, mint convertible, aqua, pink pursuit, sweet peach. So here are the swatches. We're gonna definitely using this color because this Angel's Wing is so pretty. And we've also got an Amazon package. We got some Saviland full cover tips. Saviland sent me this for free. They didn't even tell me actually. And do you know what happened to me? I accidentally spilled all my full cover tips that I use for like most of my long nails, and then I had to throw them all away because they were all unorganized and I was not going to sort them. So yeah, and they just sent me this in the mail. Like, that is such a crazy coincidence. So we're gonna be using these today. So here are my sister's natural nails. First things first, we're going to take our cuticle pusher and push back the cuticles. Taking my cuticle scissors, I'm just gonna cut off the excess cuticle.
What's around the next corner? You never know what's around the next corner.
Next, I'm gonna be taking my fine grit sanding band and I'm gonna remove the shine from the natural nails. You want to make sure your drill is on a really low speed because you don't want to file too much of the nail because that would hurt. My sister doesn't want to put any primer on because she doesn't want these nails to last that long. Next, we're going to take our full cover tips. We want these tips to fit perfectly from sidewall to sidewall. This nail tip fits her nail perfectly, so we're going to use this size for her thumb. Alright, now we got the tip sized out. We're gonna get some base coat and we're gonna get our nail lamp ready. So I'm just gonna have my sister press the on button and put it over her nail. I'm first gonna take the base coat and I'm gonna paint a layer on the nail. Oops, you can't even see, sorry. Not too thick of a layer. We might need a little bit more. I think I'm gonna put some in the tip. So I glued on the nail. We got two bubbles right here. But other than that, it seems stuck on pretty good. We're gonna move on to the next nail. Let me just tell you guys, if you want these nails to really last, you probably are gonna want to rough up the inside of the nail as well as add primer and dehydrator before you glue on the nails. So basically in this video, we are doing an Aprés Dupe method. Aprés is a brand of basically like press on nails like this. You glue the full cover tip on with the base coat and then you cure it, and that's basically what Aprés is. I mean, there are other brands that do that, I'm pretty sure. I know people just call this method like the Aprés Dupe method. So that's basically what we're doing. We're just gluing on the full cover tips with the base coat. We got all the nails glued on. They actually look very nice. Now I'm just gonna do a little bit of shaping. Alright, now I got the tip shaped. I'm gonna take this safety drill bit and go around the cuticle area. And now I'm just gonna remove the shine from the nail tips using the same drill bit. Looking really cute. Now we're just gonna paint them with gel polish, and it's that simple. These full cover tips are thick enough where you don't have to apply any product or anything. As you can see, they're like pretty thick, and like I can't bend them or anything like that, so they are sturdy enough where you can just put gel polish on and be done. So we're gonna do that. So far this method works fine. I mean, everything worked fine. They look really nice and it was really quick. It's only been like 30 minutes. So I'm just gonna take this color from Model 1's Denim Patch. I'm just gonna paint all of the nails. This Model 1's gel polish actually works really good. I've tried some gel polishes that absolutely suck. And then when they dry, they kind of like have that wrinkle effect. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but some gel polishes absolutely suck. But this Model 1 gel polish is really nice, good quality, everything cures correctly. The colors are pretty opaque. I think you'll need a second coat on probably most of them. This blue color was nice and opaque, except I still did need a second coat. That's fine, especially since it's gel, it just dries instantly, so we don't have to wait for the first layer to dry, you know what I mean? So the second coat doesn't really matter to me. And this gel polish kit is only $30, but if you use my code #VIC, you can get 15% off. It's already on sale right now. It used to be $35, but now it's only $30, and plus my code for 15% off. I think that's a really good deal. You get 16 colors and a top coat and a base coat, so this is basically everything you need if you like to paint your natural nails, or if you want to do Aprés Dupe method. This method is so simple. Like, I definitely recommend it if you just want a simple basic nail set. I think the Aprés method is very good, and I think these gel polishes are also really good. Also, Model 1's was kind enough to give you guys a really special deal. You have 3 options here. You can either just get the normal gel polish kit plus my code, so it would cost about $27, or you can get the gel polish kit plus a nail dehydrator and nail primer for only another $7, or you can get the gel polish kit plus a lamp for only $5 more. I think these are really good deals. I personally like the gel polish plus the nail lamp. That's literally like the necessities. So if you guys are interested, the link and everything will be in my description. You guys should get yourself some gel polishes, a nail lamp, or a dehydrator and primer. This is a good deal. These nails are looking really cute so far. I actually really quite enjoy them. Next things next, after I painted 2 coats of the blue on the nails, I'm gonna use this Angel's Wing gel polish. This gel polish is just so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna go over with a layer of these on all of the nails. Next, we're just gonna add some top coat. Now we're just gonna add some cuticle oil. And here are how the nails turned out. I think these nails turned out so cute. What do you think, Katsitas? Delicious. Well, these nails are so simple and easy to do. I think this Aprés Dupe method is like so easy, and if you just want a really quick, simple, fast set, this is the way to go. All you have to do is glue on the tips with the base coat and then paint over them with your favorite gel polish, and you get a nice, simple, easy set, and you barely have to shape because the tips are already nicely shaped. So that is pretty much it for this video. We did the Aprés Dupe method, and I think this method works so good. The nails turned out really nice. It was so easy to do. So if you guys are interested in this gel polish kit, the link and code and everything will be in the description. I think it's a very good deal, so you might want to get some gel polish while you can, while it's on sale right now, and then you can use my code. The Angel Wings gel polish is honestly like my favorite, and Elsa's Tear is pretty good too. The glitters in this gel polish kit are so pretty. I think they did a really good job on this kit, and the quality is really good. So anyway guys, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.